Hey guys, all right. Got the EGR valve nice and clean, guys. Made a few videos of that, guys, on the removal and the cleaning part of it. Nice little pick, wire brush, and some purple power, guys. You can get it nice and clean. Make sure you get in the valve itself, in between the valve and seats, just to be sure that you get any crud that may be hardened up right there, just to make sure that it seals up all the way, guys. It's never going to be perfect, but you can get it really close, guys. That is really good. That almost looks like a brand new EGR valve. So let me go ahead and install this bad boy. That way I can verify to see if the boost problem will also be taken care of with this. I know it's going to take care of the EGR problem, considering that the EGR valve is good. I'm not going to replace it. I want to be sure first, because the EGR valve still may be good. Don't want to just buy something and get this customer to pay for something that maybe they didn't need, when they can spend that money on a few other things that I think they will need. So let me go ahead and get on it. Hey guys, also this might actually help with the hard start, even though I think his problem is going to be this 2018 battery that's sitting here, even though he has a brand new battery. That Duralast crap, this isn't gonna work. I don't buy AutoZone parts, guys, so I'm sorry if you like AutoZone. I apologize, no offense. I don't buy AutoZone stuff. But this, see if this battery maybe is causing the it doesn't want to hold charge. It just seems like you can run the vehicle, and as soon as you shut it off, it's like the battery's dead. Again, either a starter dragging or maybe that weak battery. Also, it may not have helped that this EGR valve was getting stuck open, which would cause the engine to kind of be a hard start anyways. So those two combinations maybe just exacerbated the problem and just made it seem horrible. But regardless, guys, let me go ahead and get this EGR valve back in here and see if we can verify these problems, these solutions. All right, guys, also real quick, make sure you guys clean the surface as best as you can. I try to clean in there where you see the 3 layers of metal down there inside the EGR hole. Went ahead and cleaned it up, lubed it a little bit just to help the O-rings kind of seat in there real good. And yeah, guys, just to be sure, let me go ahead and install it, guys. Remember, this thing torques down at about 8 foot-pounds. And that's about it, guys. Let me go ahead and put it in, verify, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. All right, guys, talk to you soon.